Alright, Orient's group of colleges, we are live right now. A lot of people joining in. नमस्ते, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब अपने घर पर हैं, सेफ़ है, सुरक्षित हैं, अपना ख्याल रख रहे हो. और यार प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में ना बड़ी जल्दी हाई लिख दो, so that I know that I'm talking to you guys and we can interact better. What's up everybody? Oh my god, 522, 557 people already. This is such a wonderful thing. Amazing. Can I see a few of you guys comment in the comment section so that I know that you guys are actually, excited and listening to this one? Because I certainly am. I'm super excited. It's going to be a lot of fun. Hi Ayush. Okay, a lot of people. बहुत अच्छा, क्या बात है. अब जहाँ पर भी है, आज मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब अपने घर पर सुरक्षित हैं, अपना ध्यान रख रहे हो, क्योंकि बाहर जो सिचुएशन है, it's not at all good. We all know that the situation outside is not good at all. There are so many cases, the threat is all around. But Aryan's group of colleges promises to come with such live sessions now and then and make sure that they get a smile on your face. In the meanwhile, I hope you guys are having a very good week. My name is Nishchal Sharma, and today, of course, we have a wonderful artist joining us today. I'm going to be introducing her in quite some time, but we have around 852 people. That's a wonderful number, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. My name is Nishchal and I am from Mumbai. Yes, Wafana Rasai. That's the song we're going to be talking about. It's such a wonderful song. That song has crossed 45 million views already on YouTube. It's trending on number 1. I don't think there's anything that an artist can perhaps hope for. So it's a wonderful thing. 1,200 people. Such a brilliant number. What's up, guys? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well. We're going to be having our artist joining us in just about some time right now. But in the meanwhile, I want to see you guys comment in the comment section, because that's the only way I can perhaps interact with you guys. If you guys can't comment in this online medium, I think it's very difficult for me to interact. So please comment कीजिए, मुझे बताइए कि आपको ये गाना कैसा लगा, मुझे बताइए कि आपको आरुषि कैसी लगी गाने में, हिमांश कैसे लगे, रोहित कैसे लगे, because it's a wonderful story, the song, and we're going to be having Arushi very soon here with us. Yes, I am also waiting for ma'am. Waiting for her to join us, but in the meanwhile we'll just chat with a few of you. अच्छा, मुझे एक बात बताओ, यहाँ पर कितने लोग पंजाब से हैं, कितने लोग आप जहाँ से भी हो, प्लीज़ अपनी सिटी का नाम कमेंट कीजिए इस कमेंट सेक्शन में. मुझे बताइए कि आप इंडिया के कौन से पार्ट से हो. मुंबई से कितने लोग हैं, पंजाब से कितने लोग हैं, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि लोग आते ही जा रहे हैं. We've got an influx of people coming in. But I hope कि आज आप सबको मज़ा आए, because Arushi is a wonderful human being. मैंने उनसे आज सुबह भी बात की थी, तो उनसे आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो. There is so much that you can learn from her, because उनकी जो जर्नी रही है, हम सबको बताया उनका बैकग्राउंड और वो कहाँ से आती हैं. To get into a field like acting, I think it's a wonderful thing to do. So we're just going to be waiting for her to join us, and then we're going to start off. Nelson, who's Nelson? Okay, Haryana. Somebody saying Punjab, Haryana, Muktasar. क्या बात है यार. मोहाली, वहाँ पे पंजाब में I hope हालात ठीक हैं. I hope वहाँ पे उतने ज़्यादा केसेस नहीं हैं जितने मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र, दिल्ली में हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही है. Yes, she's an amazing artist. Please sir मत बुलाओ. I am of the same age as yours. Wow, 1,600 people. This is a wonderful number. But we're still waiting for Arushi ma'am to join us. यहाँ पे कोई मुंबई से है क्या? मैं जानना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे कोई मुंबई से है. Because oh, Kashmir. Wow, what a wonderful city. Khushi Jain. Have a great day. Hope you're the same, buddy. I hope that you have a great day too. Waiting. Manjeet Kaur says waiting. So am I. I'm still waiting for her. मैं जम्मू से हूँ. वाओ, इट्स वन ऑफ माई ड्रीम्स टू एक्चुअली गो टू कश्मीर एंड जम्मू. आई हैवेंट अभी तक, मैं गया नहीं हूँ वहाँ पे, बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं बहुत जल्दी जाऊँ. I've been to Dharamshala, I've been to Chandigarh, but I've not been to Jammu Kashmir yet. Okay, we have people from Mumbai also. Hello guys, I hope you guys are staying at home, taking care of yourselves. I am Umar 19, Garima Behel, glad to know you're from Mumbai. You're also from Mumbai. Nishav is from Mumbai. I'm from Jammu. Wow, that's the beauty of India, right guys? We've got people from so many different parts of the country, and we all unite as Indians, and that is what this country stands for. That is what we certainly stand for as well. Punjab. Yeah, I also want to learn Punjabi. I can understand Punjabi, but I cannot speak Punjabi. So, if you guys are there, please make sure that you teach me how to speak Punjabi. I am from Kataria House. Glad to know that. Glad to know that. I'm sorry to keep you guys waiting, but we still have Arushi yet to join us. She's not here yet. So please start show. I am desperately waiting to start the show, but our guest is not here. हमारे जो गेस्ट हैं आरुषि मैम, वो अभी तक यहाँ पर आई नहीं हैं, तो हम उनका वेट करेंगे और फिर उनसे बातें करेंगे, बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे आज. और अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको कोई क्वेश्चन उनसे पूछना है, बिकॉज वो भी कॉलेज में थी, उनके भी कॉलेज के डेज थे, तो अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है आपको उनसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में डालिए और मैं उनसे वो क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा और हम बहुत सारी मस्ती करेंगे. वील हैव लॉट ऑफ फन. एक बार आरती का नाम ले लो. ओके, आरती मैम्स मूवी तारिणी. यस, हैशटैग तारिणी. I've really heard a lot about Aryan's group of colleges. I know that it's a wonderful college, a wonderful institution rather. It's a wonderful place, and Punjab, everything in Punjab is amazing. So no matter where you are, Punjab is a wonderful city and a wonderful state. Chandigarh is something that is one of the cleanest cities of India, one of my favorite cities of India. Larry Cash. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a guest here with us right now. Before we add her on this live, I'm going to quickly introduce her. Our guest for today is, of course, the sensation, the beautiful Arushi Nishant. She's an Indian classical dancer, actor, film producer, and environmentalist. She's also been a TEDx speaker and is the co-founder and chairperson of Sparsh Ganga Abhiyan. She recently came up with a new song, Wafana Rasai, which is breaking the records on YouTube. It has more than 45 million plus views, and it's trending on #1 on YouTube. She is here today with us for her Mumbai City Digital Tour, the college tour rather, and we're so excited to have her here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the one and only Arushi Nishant. There you go. Hello.
Hi.
Arushi.
How are
So
you?
good to see you back. I wanted to firstly thank you so much for coming here live with Aryan's group of colleges. It's of course a college that's pretty close to where you've stayed for a very long part of your life. Uttarakhand se काफी close है. It's in Punjab, and Punjabis is always they're the most they're the most humble people, so full of life, so full of heart. So once again, thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you.
So to talk about the song, I think the song has been breaking the charts. वफाना रास. आई फर्स्टली जिन लोगों ने नहीं देखा है, आप प्लीज उनको इस सॉन्ग की स्टोरी बता दीजिए, और अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो प्लीज जाके ये सॉन्ग देखिए. इट्स ट्रेंडिंग ऑन YouTube and more than 45 million plus views. It tells you why the song is so good. Arshi, can you please hear it from you?
Yes, so first of all, hello to everyone. I hope everybody's safe and doing good at their home. जी हाँ, हमारा एक गाना आया है, बहुत खूबसूरत सा गाना आया है, वफाना रासाई, और एक खूबसूरत सी स्टोरी है, एक ऐसी कहानी है जो कहानी हम सभी लोगों ने जिंदगी में कभी ना कभी एक ना एक बार एक्सपीरियंस जरूर करी होगी. और दिस इज अबाउट अ वन साइड लव, दिस इज अबाउट अ हार्ट ब्रेक. सो ये गाना जो है आप लोगों के लिए दर्द भी लेके आता है और दुआ भी लेकर आता है. सो इट इज sung by Zubin Nautiyal, and he sang it so beautifully that we all can feel that song, you know, so intensely. And हिमांश कोहली इसमें मेरे साथ में को एक्टर है, रोहित सुचाल्ती इसमें मेरे साथ में को एक्टर है. and a beautiful team of T Series has done it superbly. That please go and watch it. That you can live Kashmir, you can live that heartbreak. और एक सुकून है इस गाने में, तो उसको जाके एक बार जरूर सुनिए और देखिए.
Absolutely, you've heard it from the person who's perhaps made a debut with a brand like T Series. How big is this for you? I mean, if a newcomer perhaps comes into the industry and starting off with a banner like T Series, I think it's such a huge feat. So, what does this mean to you?
Certainly, it's like a dream come true. And मैंने सोचा नहीं था कभी, because I'm a Kathak exponent. I'm very comfortable with stage, but being on the camera and with such a superior team, I would say, because T Series कौन नहीं जानता T Series को अभी, so it's such a big level, a very big brand. And when you've been launched from such platform, आपके लिए चीजें आसान हो जाती हैं, लोगों तक पहुंचना बहुत आसान हो जाता है. I have been offered few of the roles before also, but I always wanted to come up with the best opportunity. और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि before I actually go and start shooting for a film, this can be a good experiment to come in between all of you and see the reaction. So I am very very glad for all of the love you guys are showering on us. और 4 दिन में 45 मिलियन से ऊपर हो जाना shows that आप लोगों ने बहुत प्यार दिया है. But thank you so much guys. और प्यार दीजिए इस गाने को.
Absolutely, I think जितना प्यार मिले उतना कम है, और उसी तरह से जितने व्यूज मिले उतने कम है. I think 45 million is just the start. यहाँ पर भी हमें करीबन 1,500 लोग देख रहे हैं इस वक्त, इस मोमेंट पे, which is a wonderful thing. But I know that you've been into dancing, you've been into Kathak. How did that journey start off for you? Was it something that you were always interested in since your childhood, और वो fire, वो passion कैसे ignite हुआ?
I really don't know how it just happened, but for any artist, it will be upliftment that they coming on the camera. And same goes for me, because I'm a Kathak exponent. I have traveled to more than 15 countries. मैंने बहुत लोगों को सिखाया भी है. पंडित बिरजू महाराज जी मेरे गुरु रहे हैं. So I have done a lot of beautiful experiment also through Kathak and this dance form. But coming on camera, doing acting, something, not entirely different for me, but certainly it's a new, upliftment as an artist. थोड़ा challenging था, because समझना, हम लोग जब परफॉर्म करते हैं तो हमारे सामने एक टाइम पे 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 लोग होते हैं. We do a very wide expressions, because Kathak is known to, giving a good loud expressions. We do a loud makeup. But कैमरा जो होता है वो जो है वो इतनी बड़ी पुलिस है कि छोटी सी चोरी भी जो है वो तुरंत पकड़ लेती है. So you have to be very very careful, doing anything on camera. And I've been very blessed to have such co-actors, such director who like keep guiding me. I have done a very intense acting training under Subhash Ghai ji also, with 3 to 4 months, and is 6 to 8 teachers, coming up with online sessions and giving me tasks, and I've been trained for that. So I went with my full tayari, yes.
And I think that the Yari has clearly showed the results for you, because आपकी जो performance है और वो गाना अपने आप में इतना soothing है, इतना beautiful है. You told me that you know Zubin since like you guys have been family friends. So how was it, having his voice in the background, the first thing that you're acting in, और जो transition होता है from a dancer to being in front of the camera? I know that Kathak में बहुत सारे expressions use होते हैं, तो at least आपको मालूम है कि आपको अपने expression से कैसे खेलना है. But कैमरा के सामने तो डेफिनेटली एक अलग चीज होती है. तो ट्रांजिशन कितना डिफिकल्ट था आपके लिए, क्या इजी था?
It was quite challenging for me, because आप कोई चीज कम से ज्यादा के लिए you can tell and you can work out, but ज्यादा से कम करना, it's very challenging. So it was just like that for me. So I keep telling my director Ashish Panda, like, Ashish, डांटना मारना but सही करवाना, and मुझे टोकते रहना कुछ गलत होता है तो, but satisfy मत होना. So this is what I have never learned in my life, to be satisfied with one thing. So initially when I gave my first shot, So I was not very confident because it was snow and me and Rohit had to walk on that snow. We keep slipping on that snow and it wasn't coming perfect. And at the same time, I have to say, "वो वाला शिकारा देखो कितना सुंदर है." So a lot of challenge, you know. You have to walk, you have to give your dialogue, you have to give the best look. Sometimes hair is not falling on the right place. So I had my own doubts, own challenges, and then I asked Ashish, एक बार और करेंगे. So he said, "Come here, I'll show you. This is the only one time I'm going to show the monitor to you. उसके बाद मैं आपको monitor नहीं दिखाऊंगा." So when I saw that, I thought, yeah, this is fine. This looks good. So he keep telling me when the expression is too loud. So he's saying, नहीं ज़्यादा हो रहा है, कम करो, कम नहीं ज़्यादा करो. So yeah, I mean, we all have been to that lane, and it's an actor life.
Correct. And I think जब आप अपने performance से satisfy नहीं होते हो, when you really want to strive for something more, that is when I think greatness is achieved. Or satisfy नहीं होना is actually a very good thing. But you had some brilliant co-stars, as you rightly said. You had Himansh, you had Rohit. You know, they're both heartthrobs. Himansh, you've seen in Yariyan, that's again by T series that are hosted Kumar. And Rohit is, of course, the Big Boss sensation. How does it feel to be with the two of them? How are they as human beings?
I guess the best mixture, if ever can happen, with fun and a serious attitude and with more discipline is I have got that. So I find very good mixture, and like Rohit is like so much fun. Initially we have some hesitation because we meeting for the first time, and you've been asked कि कोई भी लड़का है आप उसका हाथ पकड़ के just treat him as your husband and walk. So it's difficult. So initially we had our own discomfort. We talked about it कि कैसे चलना है, गिर रहे हैं दोनों. But then gradually, it becomes such a good and cordial relation that हम लोग शिकारे पे हमको छोड़ दिया जाता था और ठंड बहुत थी, -17 था, एंड हम तीनों लोग बात करते रहते थे, एंड वी जस्ट लाफिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग, वी डोंट नो व्हाट वी लाफिंग अबाउट. And on the other hand, Himansh, I have seen a very good, a serious person also in him. When he's shooting, he's very sincere. He's doing his shot very sincerely. You can talk to him philosophical, you can talk to him about technology, anything you can talk to him. So I feel that this is the best mixture can happen to me as of my first project, and I learned too much from both of them. Yes.
That's a wonderful thing. I hope कि आप सब आगे भी काम करें, और जब आगे काम करें तो उसका रिजल्ट है जो केमिस्ट्री है वो और बढ़ जाए, because it's wonderful to see the kind of the amalgamation जो जब आप तीनों मिलते हो. So I think it's a wonderful explosion of talent, and I hope that we can see that in the future projects that you guys get into. I'm pretty sure आपने बहुत सारे memories बनाई हैं on set. As you said, you've been shooting the Dal Lake, and it's pretty cold there. It's actually freezing cold there. So can you just narrate a few incidents from your shoot, the memories that you have, कोई funny memories हो तो?
I have a very beautiful memories of this shoot in Kashmir, and that was a COVID time also, and 26th January was coming because we were shooting in that time, and a lot of tension in Kashmir happened on Republic Day or Independent Day, whatever you say. I mean, that Republic Day we were shooting, and there everywhere is police people going around. So we were a little tensed that how it's gonna happen. But fortunately, that was a golden time. We got to see the safest Kashmir and safest Srinagar. We got to see that day without any mishappening, and it was very safe. And we shooted, and we were very glad. Yeah, I remember a few incidents because every time we going for shooting, and we started to shoot early in the morning, 6:37. Guys are safe because they don't have to go through the makeup, then hair, and we have to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning for getting ready. And I have long hair, so my hairdresser is doing my hair, and I'm trying to take a nap. So yeah, so we have done all of this. So every time we reaching to Dal, and we have to sit in the shikara, the beautiful shikara is shown in the video. They have to break the ice because it's the whole lake is already frozen, and we are wearing a suede boots. So whenever the snow started to melt, वो सब पानी हो जाता था और हमारे बूट्स गीले हो जाते थे. बूट्स के अंदर we used to wear 5 layers of socks, you know.
Oh
So
my God.
it was crazy, and we have given this sigdi, you know. So
Yeah.
हाथ हम लोग सीखते थे. I used to do my mouth also because my nose, I couldn't feel my nose at all.
Right.
And the rounds of black coffee was uncounted to survive in that cold, and Kehwa saved us. But it was beautiful. It was beautiful.
You know, I think ये सारे efforts हैं जो लोग नहीं देखते, but they see the end result. तो ये बहुत efforts लगते हैं. If you guys are listening to this
Yeah,
as an
even I
actor,
tell you, there is a scene when Himansh got a water on his face and मुझे throw करना था. So वो इतनी बार हुआ है टेक रीटेक कि मेरा हाथ ब्लू हो जाता था. Or every time it's coming to Himansh's face, it's like, oh. So it was really crazy. It was really crazy.
yeah. So exactly. So these are the efforts that these guys take, और तब जाके इतना अच्छा product आता है बाहर, इतना अच्छा music video बनता है. So you know, before next time you actually pass on your comments, just make sure that you understand the process that goes behind making this video. So that's a wonderful thing. And now I want to ask you, I'm pretty sure college में आप भी इतने सारे college festivals होते हैं. अभी हम पंजाब का college festival पे live हैं. सुबह हम मुंबई के college festival पे थे. So every state, every college has its own college festival. आप उत्तराखंड से हैं, you know, it's called the land of gods. आपने क्या ऐसे college festivals witness किए हैं? Have you been to these concerts with your friends?
Yeah, I was. We used to had a Lamhe in our IMS Dehradun. If somebody knows about the college, it's good one. And we participated lot many times in the fashion shows, dance programs where I fell also. So yeah, we had all kind of masti. But talking about Punjab, you know, I mean, I really want to come and have this session, not live like that, but just on face to face with all of you. I am a big fan of all Punjabi people, this Punjabi music. It just infused so much of Jan into everything. So we are looking
So
forward to come sometime to see you all there.
absolutely, let's hope that this pandemic ends soon so that we can have
Yes.
an offline meet and greet,
Yes.
where you know you can meet your fans and like everybody's been jamming to Brown Monday. Those songs in itself, I think they're such beautiful tracks. Punjab has a different vibe in it. But Arushi, I'm pretty sure हमें जो 1,500 लोग देख रहे हैं, उनमें से काफी ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्हें एक्टर बनना है या फिर जिन्हें अपने अपने प्रोफेशन में जो भी करना है. They want to attain greatness in their own profession. आपके हिसाब से what would be that one mantra that they should keep in their mind and carry forward for the rest of their lives?
See, I will say that it doesn't matter that you want to be an actor, you want to be a doctor, or any profession you want to, take up in your life. Just remember one thing. And it's not only for the career, it's for the life, because I have practiced that thing in my life. And that's why I say I will not propagate about it. I'm very successful or I'm something very big, but I am at least happy about my efforts in life. So I always say that there is a Japanese philosophy called Kaizen. That means continuous improvement. So I will just try to give you the small mantra of success and contentment in your life. Never stop. Never feel you know everything. So even though I was a Kathak exponent, I always treat myself as a student. You make me meet anybody, I will try to learn at least 5 or 10 qualities from that person. So you never feel that you know everything. You should have your continuous improvement chart in your life. तो कंटेंट मत होइए, इम्प्रूवमेंट करते रहिए, और यही जिंदगी को बेहतर करता है, यही आपकी जिंदगी को आगे लेके जाता है.
Absolutely. You know, they always say if you stop learning, your growth as a person, as a human being, certainly stops. So please make sure that you learn everything from no matter who you meet or doesn't matter who you're hanging out with. There is something to learn from everybody. Everybody has their own set of vices and the good things in them. So please make sure that you invite those good things. तो अगर हमारे 1,500 लोग हमें जो सुन रहे हैं उनमें से अगर एक भी इस मोटो को अपने साथ लेके अपनी लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करे, आई थिंक both of us are going to be very happy for them. And we know that the purpose of this life, of talking to them, has been established. My next question to you is, this song has, of course, more than 45 million views. It's a huge number. But, when people text you saying that, I've loved your performance in this song and I love the way you're looking, how does it feel when you're getting this overwhelming love from people? Because in the end, an artist is what its audience makes it. So,
I am super overwhelmed with the response because uh, with God grace and with all of your love, we were not expecting such a great response. 4 days and it's 45 million crossed. So बहुत बड़ी बड़ी रिलीज को भी नहीं मिल पाता है और हम लोग तो बहुत छोटे हैं. मेरा तो पहला प्रोजेक्ट है तो मुझे लगा नहीं था कि लोग पसंद करेंगे, इतना प्यार करेंगे. बट सर्टिल we have Zubin Nautiyal, we have the T Series brand, we have Himansh, we have Rohit and beautiful team in that. So अच्छा लग रहा है और compliments किसको अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं. तो I am enjoying those compliments. Maybe it will take few more days us to settle down and read all of the comments because right now we are busy with interviewing, for giving interviews and for TV channels and for promotions. But thank you so much for all of your pouring.
I think the audience is what an artist is. I think जो एक artist होता है उसकी असली पहचान उसकी audience से होती है, and the people make the artists who they are. So all you guys, thank you for loving the song. And before we let you go, Arshi, one last thing. If we've got so many people watching us here, and we've got so many people who've been wanting to do well in their fields. We also saw a lot of people asking you a lot of questions in the comment section. One of which was आपके future projects क्या हैं? So can you please take us through what's next in store?
Yeah, so I am coming in one of the film which has already been announced on T3's platform. That name is Tarani, which poster has been already announced. And this is a subject which is very close to my heart because if people know me and they read about me, they know that I am a big propagator and promoter of environment and women empowerment. So this is about women empowerment. The 6 naval officers went for a world tour. It's a real event-based story, and I will be playing one of the character. I'll be co-producing it also, and I'm doing one of the Hotstar web series. I have shot already one of the music video for all you guys, and a few more projects are in the pipeline, and I have to take some time to officially
Right.
announce it. But we are trying and making effort to give you guys more good content.
Absolutely, I think there are a lot of things in store, and we cannot wait to see you on screen with bigger and bigger projects and movies. We know that you're a big environmentalist, and we know that you promote saving the environment and protecting the environment, which is why we're going to be talking about Sparsh Ganga. It's an initiative that you perhaps founded, and you're the chairperson and the co-founder of Sparsh Ganga. The name is pretty much, it says it all, but could you just tell our viewers what Sparsh Ganga is all about?
Yeah, so we started in 2008, and it is an initiative taken by my father, and we taking it ahead. More than 5 million people are associated with it from all over the world, and we do a lot of cleaning drives. In the last time, we distributed millions of khadi masks, and cleaning drives we do, plantation we do. So anybody want to join it? We have lot many teams in different cities also. We have Lucknow, Calcutta, Delhi, all Uttarakhand, and maybe we have some team in Punjab also. So I would love to invite all of you once we are in a better condition. We all can go for the river cleaning and for cleaning drives.
Absolutely. Anybody who's willing to join her, please make sure that you get yourselves into it. It's a wonderful cause to be a part of. और हम सब हमारे environment के लिए I think इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं. So please do your part and make me a part of this wonderful initiative. With that said, thank you so much, Arushi, for this conversation. It was a wonderful time talking to you, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank
and if
you
you could
so
just say
much.
bye to your audience.
All right, bye bye to everyone, and please keep good care of yourself. Stay at home, don't go out. It's a small time we have to spend at home with family. Please enjoy that. And do not forget to watch Wafana Rasai and start giving more and more love to it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Absolutely. Thank you, Archie. Take care. See you. All right, that was Arshi here with us. I had a wonderful time talking to her. And Aryan's group of colleges, you guys are doing a great job. Keep it up. और प्लीज अपना ध्यान रखिए, अपने घर पे रहिए, अपने और अपने परिवार वालों का ध्यान रखिए, अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखिए. प्लीज एक जगह पर मत बैठे रहिए. प्लीज मूव, प्लीज एक्सरसाइज, eat the right food and stay healthy. Take care of yourself and keep your mental health in check. That's the most important thing. With that said, thank you so much, everybody. A huge thank you to Mr. Anshu Kataria and, of course, Aryan's group of colleges for being a part of this. Thank you so much. Thank you for organizing. A huge shout out to Gloric Village Entertainment and Chronicle Ventures for putting this up. I had a wonderful time. आप सबसे बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी. My name is Nischal Sharma. You can find me on Instagram at @Nischal_Sharma. And I'll see you guys next time around. Please take care of yourselves. Take care of your loved ones. Until next time, it is a goodbye.